Hi everyone, Urban Piggy here. Today I would like to share a wonderful recipe, sweet sour pork spare ribs. For this recipe, you would need the following ingredients. I always start with parboiling the meat. While the meat is being parboiled, I would like to use the time to prepare the gingers into slices and cut the garlic into huge chunks and cut spring onions into slices. Wash away the bloody foam from the parboiling and pat the meat dry. Now cut the spare ribs into smaller pieces. It's easier to do so along the bones. Now let's start cooking. Choose a heavy bottom pan, set it on medium-high fire. I use here rapeseed oil, but you can basically choose to use any oil that has high smoking point. I like always roasting my dry spices first, as it intensifies their aroma. Here in the pan, I have some ginger slices, some rock sugar. If you don't have rock sugar, you can replace it with any sugar that you have at hand. I also use some Sichuan pepper. Similarly, if you don't have Sichuan pepper, you can try to use a normal pepper. Oh, here I also have 2 anise seeds, which I have forgotten to list them on the ingredient list. After about 3 or 4 minutes of spice roasting, now put in the spare ribs. Give it a good stir. Let's now put in the remaining ingredients, spring onions and garlic. Continue to stir well. Now put in the soy sauce into the pan. Here I use 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Now put some hot water into the pan. The water should be sufficient to submerge the ribs entirely. I only add the cloves now into the pot. This spice is so strong, if you add it too early, the dish could turn out to be a little bit bitter. Put the lid on, low fire, stew for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, check meat tenderness. If tender, add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Stir well. Increase the heat if needed for water evaporation. When the sauce in the pot is glossy, wrapping each spare rib, the dish is done. You can enhance the dish with a sprinkle of white sesame seeds and fresh green spring onions for a delightful garnish. This flavorful combination pairs perfectly with simple white rice. I have shot this video with a simple iPhone, so I hope the description is clear, the image is not too bad. I hope you enjoy the recipe and enjoy the dish. Thank you for watching.